What's up, guys? Today we're going to be getting the car ready for the new owner who lives in Texas. So I'm going to back this thing out, look it over, and get it cleaned up.
Well, all right. What you gonna do?
Gonna spray her down, man. All cleaned up.
What does this symbolize?
The old freedom bird, man.
Gotta make sure she's all pretty.
All right, so the car's all cleaned up. A bunch of you know how special this car is to me. I've had it for 5 or 6 years now. It was in my wedding. It was in my gender reveal at the Freedom Factory, which is awesome. I've shared a bunch of good memories with this car. Let a couple of my buddies drive it. Took my pops for a ride, my mom, my family. It's just been a great car. It's never let me down. So let's look back on some clips and enjoy the memories. right, guys, today's the day. The transporter's on his way to come pick up the car to take it to the new owner in Texas. I'm really gonna miss this thing. It's been such a huge part of my life these past few years. I'm really excited for what's yet to come. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
How are you feeling?
It's like butterflies.
Si toman un video acá, por favor.
Also, the stock seat, the stock driver seat is in the back. I have it sitting back here.
Okay.
Yeah.
The painting no.
No, this is condensation.
Okay.
Any last minute thoughts?
Gonna miss her. Gonna hurt to open the garage and not see her there anymore.
Stop. Cámara.
Thank you.
Yeah, trust it. Yeah, take care. Be safe.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
Thank you. So long, Freedom Bird.